The Battle of Quebec. Fought on September 13, 1759, during the 7 Years' War, was a pivotal engagement between British and French forces for control of Quebec City, a key stronghold in New France, present-day Canada. British General James Wolfe led a daring amphibious assault on the French-held city, landing his forces upstream of Quebec along the St. Lawrence River. The French, commanded by Louis-Joseph de Montcalm, held a strong defensive position atop the Plains of Abraham, overlooking the city. Despite facing formidable French defenses and difficult terrain, Wolfe devised a bold plan to scale the cliffs and surprise the French. Under the cover of darkness, British forces successfully ascended the cliffs, catching the French off guard. The battle unfolded in a fierce and decisive clash on the Plains of Abraham. Both Wolfe and Montcalm were mortally wounded in the fighting, but the British ultimately prevailed, inflicting heavy casualties on the French and capturing Quebec City. The fall of Quebec proved to be a turning point in the war, as it paved the way for British dominance in North America. The subsequent Treaty of Paris in 1763 formally ceded Canada to the British, marking the end of French colonial rule in the region and solidifying British control over much of North America.